So we've got the brand new RC Factory Spirit of control line. Bit of wind, but we should be okay. So, complete kit, the lines, the handle, the timer, the power kit. All I did was put my own batteries in. So I've set the run for about 50 seconds. Wait for the little buzz. Okay. Walk the lines. Yeah. Bit of wind and they're all going to be like the chicken on a post later, trying to laugh at me if I mess this up. So I'm going to start a little timer because 50 seconds I don't want to catch me. That's good. I can see the light flashing. Okay. So the wind's coming from directly behind me. So hopefully a quarter turn will give me into wind. There we go. We're going to start in a minute. Okay, not good. So I've just had a little hiccup. She tipped over on starting. The grass a bit long. I'm going to pull full up and hope we get her away this time. I'll have to move on to the strip over there. So good that I can see that light flashing. So here we go. Okay, got her away, but wow, not much pull on this. Need more RPM. No, that's not gonna. Need more RPM. I've got 8,000 RPM and it's nowhere near enough. Hardly any tension on them lines. Downwind's okay, into wind. Bird she flies, okay. Just trying to keep my head up so it's in the middle. Looks pretty, but not enough tension on those lines at all. See that? They go straight there, and now, whoosh. So it's either too windy for that model. Okay, so my timer's bleeping. Like I've got the, oh good, I can see the LED on, and now the motor's gone off. So that timer works good, and I saw the LED, but I need more RPM. So we're running into evening. It's just on 8 o'clock. As you can see, the wind's dropped quite a bit. Still there, but it's less than it was. I don't know why that gentleman there's deciding to fly. That's the flying zone over there. But the kids don't like to listen here. Ooh. So, walk the lines. Okay, I've got a flash in you. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite visible, quite prominent, that LED. So I just had a flight with her and it was better. So hopefully this one will be good too. Light solid, beginning to turn, and away we go. So that takeoff needs a bit of work because she doesn't like rolling, but okay, so. As you can see, she is actually fairly aerobatic. Not so much put on the line, but what you've got is plenty to fly in and out loops. See that? And okay, I'm not totally overhead, but it's quite high. Still getting a little bit slack down that end when I'm upwind, but downwind, okay, whoopala. Didn't see that coming, but you can see that the LED's gone off. That's why I crashed my last two models, not paying attention to the timer, so I started flying with a little beeper. But, so hopefully that has filmed okay, and I'll